Hi my friends, today we model this part which has a pompous name given by me, inspection cover housing. The drawing is here with all the necessary dimensions. I work a lot to create this drawings, be sure. We start by creating this contour using dimensions from here as a revolution volume. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, sketch, XY plane, and we draw a vertical line from the center point of 97. Then horizontal, down, right, down, back, horizontal, and down to close here. Then we place dimensions. Let me apply center line. Dimensions from this short line to here with a diameter of 240. Then the other one with a diameter of 262. (226). 226. This distance is 9, and this one is 16. We have a fully constrained sketch. Yes, but we continue with internal contour, which has dimensions here, but also here you see radius 4, 12, 9, 67, radius 10. All of them are useful. Line to somewhere here, keep pressed the left button and draw an arc, vertical, right, I don't want to be a special point, but a random one. I apply fillets. (10 millimeters) is this one. 4 millimeter is but I see that this line is not vertical. This and this. Then I apply vertical to this line, and then dimensions. This angle is 15. This radius is 10. Then this point is 60. This short line is 7. This is 12, and this is 9. Diameters. This one is 220. This one is 186. This one is 200. This is 190, and this is collinear with this. Take a look here. You see, this diameter of 200 is for this diameter, and this diameter has an identical diameter. And this last dimension is 200. I apply split for these two segments, and I apply construction for both. Finish sketch, F6, revolve, and we have the first volume, my friends. Now we create this flange by using dimensions from here. 90 degrees, a radius of 16, and this diameter, which is 270. I'll draw this small face. Notice that there is radius 16 here and here. Good. This is the face for that sketch. X is to the right. F7. I make this construction and I draw a line. Keep pressed the left button, an arc, and a line back to the circle, which is not tangent. Now it is tangent. This point is on the same level as the center point. Radius 16, angle 90. Dimension from this to this is 270 divided by 2. And the last thing to do is to make equal these two lines to be symmetrical. Finish sketch. Extrude this to the other direction, join, not cut, of 16. See? Now I apply fillet of 16 to these two, 16 and 16. Okay, this is the 16 extrusion, and we have to place the holes 6 times of 16. This is the face, hole, and this point of 16 through all. Yes, it goes through the part. Okay. Now, since we have 6 features like the first one, we apply a circular pattern. For what features? Hole, fillet, and extrusion. About what axis? This axis. How many? 6 is by default. Okay. Next is the other flange. I mean this flange, which has dimensions here. 120, not 90, is this angle, and this dimension is 113 from this line to the center. 113. You have to notice that there is an arc up here which has the radius of 126.5, this one, and we'll place 6 holes, 1 at the start of metric 12 with these dimensions 22.5 is this, and 26 is all. I'll change this small placement to have room around. Yes, we have all dimensions here. There is another observation to be made. 113 and 226 are related. No? This is the diameter and this is the radius of which circle? This circle, my friends. This means that these two lines, 1, 2, are tangent to this 226 circle radius, because this is the radius. We'll use this observation. I turn back the part, I select this face, this is not useful, and X is to the right. I draw 2 lines, keeping pressed on a random point on this circle. I keep it pressed, and now I have a tangent. I go to somewhere here, and then another tangency. I make these 2 on the same line. The angle to the same vertical. I make this 120, and I draw another arc, an arc here from this point to this point, and with a radius of 1 to 6.5. This center is coincident with the other, with a center point, and we have a fully constrained sketch. We can select this area even if I don't cut with split this end segments, because we don't want to make things unuseful things. Extrude this on 8 millimeters. Okay, you see 8 millimeters here. Good. Now I have to create these features. One of them. Dimensions are missing, my friend. This is radius 10. You don't mind if I add dimensions at the original drawing, because I'm not young. I forgot all the time. Radius 10, radius 2. What is the distance of this arc? The placement is again half of this. Yes, 2 to 6. Okay. I select this face, F7. I place a line, a vertical line of 2 to 6 divided by 2. This is, and a circle with this center, radius, you see radius of 10. Trim this, make this construction, and finish sketch. Extrude this to this face. Yes? Okay. Then fillet of 2 millimeters, which is by default all around there and around this. Okay. Now the hole. You know dimensions. I select this face for a new sketch. I project this contour, and now I can apply that hole. Hole, metric 12, isometric profile, 12, with termination, and dimensions here are 22.5 and 26. Where is the placement? This is the placement. Okay. Now you see a hole here with that dimensions. Good. Again, we apply circular pattern for what? For the hole, for the fillet, for the extrusion, and for the other extrusion. What is the axis? This is the axis. How many? 6. Okay. You see, we have 2 flanges, up and down. We go back to the drawing and we see these 2 features. Their dimensions are, if I select this plane, I can draw this plane. Yes, I can draw the contour. The contour is here. You see? Don't forget these 2 millimeters. 45, radius 25, distance 145 and 75. The plane where we create this is this. What is the value? 110 minus twice 20 is 70. Yes? 70 is from here to here. And we have to add 4 millimeters here, because 12 and 20 are sharing these 2 distances of 4. We place here an expression to use these dimensions strictly. Okay, strictly. What is the plane? XY is the plane. Good. Plane XY. And now the expression. Minus 110 minus 20 twice 20 divided by 2 minus 4. This is the plane for a new sketch. F7. I project this line and one internal, this one, not this, to be sure that we enter inside the body. Then I draw a line down, press the button, go here and horizontal to this line. Project as well this line, this line, and this is present. Good. I draw a line over this one in order to have a full closed area. This is 45 degrees, a radius 25, distance of 2 millimeters here, 2, and the center from here to the center point is 145, and measuring from the center to this face is 75. Now we have a fully constrained sketch with a fully closed area. Finish sketch. Extrude the other direction, not 10 but 20 minus 4 multiplied by 2. Okay. Visibility. Now a new plane based on this at 4 millimeters. Sketch in this new plane. Project this arc to have a center. Circle to this arc. Finish sketch. Extrude the other direction, 20. Okay. Not visible. Fillet this. Fillet of 4 on both sides. Okay. And here also fillet of 5. Okay. Here is a hole. A hole with a diameter of 30 through. Face, sketch, finish, hole, not threaded but simple hole. Through, with dimension of 30 where and this point. Okay. Now we have all the features to apply mirror. Mirror of hole, fillet 1, fillet 2, extrusion, extrusion, about this plane. Okay. You see, we have all that components. Good. The last thing to do is to apply fillet of 2 on this bottom edges. 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay. That's all, my friends. I don't think that other features or components are needed. I don't see anything. Good. Let's see what is the volume. Update copy, close, drawing, double click, paste. There is a very small difference which is ignorable, but it is what we did together. So that this is the last and final value. Let me go here to apply material, which is steel carbon. The color, which is yellow, as you can see, and some faces to be machined. This is one of them. I keep pressed the shift key to select the other. This, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 to be still polished. Okay, this is the result. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.